Thunder on the high-speed cast.
Ó.
Isso se arrepia. Não, poxa.
Aê, idiota! Vai passar de novo. Olha as manobras que você faz.
The
Ó, de
F-22
novo.
will now set up to perform a Hoover pitch. This maneuver is a double knife edge separated by an inverted cup, followed by a pitch to line up in preparation for the Heritage flight. This will be another great opportunity to capture the Raptor on your camera during our demonstration. Ladies and gentlemen, named after the legendary Bob Hoover, the Raptors Hoover pitch.